Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea Star Bakings. Today's video is all about chocolate filling. This filling has no eggs in it and it can be used in donuts or any other type of dessert that needs filling. Now follow me through the recipe. Add your evaporated milk, your sugar, your salt, your corn flour, your cocoa powder, and give it a quick stir. After stirring it, you would have to leave it to rest for at least 5 minutes so the sugar can dissolve before transporting it into your pot and onto the stove. Make sure you don't leave your chocolate filling alone on the stove. Be there and keep stirring it. The real stirring game begins when it starts boiling, because when you don't stir it and it starts to boil, it starts to stick to the pot, and we don't want that happening. So keep stirring, keep stirring. Can you see it getting thicker? Don't stop here, keep stirring. At this point, it is thick enough for you. So take it off the stove and add your chocolate immediately. Let the chocolate rest for a bit just so it will dissolve, and give it a stir again. It got too thick after adding the chocolate, so I took it back on the stove and added a bit of milk to just make it this texture. So this is the right texture you need. Transfer your chocolate filling into a bowl and we are done here. Again, this is the perfect texture for your chocolate filling. This is the same chocolate filling I used for my donut, which I previously posted. I will leave a link to the donut recipe after this video, so do make sure you check it out. The video is not yet over. You still have to cover your chocolate filling with a plastic wrap and let it cool down till you're ready to use it. That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below on how this recipe worked for you. And that is it, guys. See you next time.